hello, good day to you. If you really want to hear a motivational speech or message, well, this this video is just for you. Motivational speech. Wake up call. You got a serious problem. You know why? It's because you keep using and consuming your phone all the time. Most of the time, maybe. Even so, you have a serious problem. People out there are grinding, growing, and getting closer to their goals and dreams, while you're still using their phone, still scrolling, numbing out, watching through trash that drains your soul. You tell yourself, I'm just relaxing. Deep down, you know the truth on what you have consumed and do. While you're still swiping, they're sweating. While you're binge watching, they're building their own, then getting closer to their dreams again. And tomorrow, they'll be celebrating your success while you're still stuck in the same cycle of regret. While you're, is this how you want to build? Is this how I want to build your life? Scrolling endlessly, your life, social media is actually a trap. At the end of the day, did it matter for you, for those people? Those pictures and photos and videos, are they relevant to your life? In your life, you want a life that matters, do you? Well, let's get real. Have to get uncomfortable, because you have to change your habits. That will lead to path, and that will lead to eventual growth. Get uncomfortable, get tired, get focused. Then you have to start building something that is real. This thus this is your wake up call. Your time, life, and future is in your hands. It depends on only you. Have to start later or start right now. Don't complain, grumble, or even worry. It's because it's just inside you. Your thoughts will eventually become actions. Actions became a habit that you continue to do, and then those habits will eventually climb the path towards your success. The results will eventually be evident, and you're getting more closer to your dreams and destinations that you truly desire in your life. Thank you for watching.